Hello, and thank you for joining me on today's video blog. I'm Stephen Pilkington with the Path Home team. So on today's video blog, we're going to discuss how do you maximize the value of your house and take advantage of the Compass Concierge Program. So one of the biggest motivating factors that caused my team and I to make our move to Compass was the services and the tools that are offered to our clients. And the one that we found just an incredible value in for our clients is the Compass Concierge Program. So what is the Compass Concierge Program? Well, when we go to sell our houses, everybody knows that a house that's been recently renovated, recently spruced up, whether that's putting in some new carpet or even deep cleaning the carpet, whether that's doing some touch-up paint or doing all new paint colors to the house. Is that adding some new appliances? Is that swapping out countertops, new vanities? Whatever it might be, to get the house to look its best. It can even be used for staging the property. If you've got a house that's vacant, or maybe you've got furniture that, if they're like mine, it shows wear and tear from kids. Having 3 kids, they beat up furniture along with those 2 dogs. So the Compass Concierge Program, what that is and the benefit to our clients is that when you are selling a primary residence, they will lend you up to $50,000 to improve your property. Sounds like a great deal. So what's the catch, you might ask? Well, what does it cost? Well, whatever money you borrow, you have to pay back. And on average, our clients, for every dollar they're investing, they get $2 to $3 back. So if you invest $20,000, often that leads to our clients getting a $60,000 higher return. So not only can they pay back that $20,000, they're netting $40,000 additional. And so what's the cost on this? Well, that's the amazing thing. There is no charge on it. There's no financing charges. There's no fees associated with it. It's a system that allows Compass agents to get their clients' homes to look the best, to sell for the best. And so what does that mean for you? So money, definitely. Everybody wants to earn more money on their property. But there's actually a lot more to it than that. The more move-in ready your home is, the more likely you are to get multiple offers, which means that you might have an easier transaction, less things to worry about with inspection. You might be able to dictate the timing more. So let's say if you're like a lot of folks we encounter right now, they know their house is going to sell, yet they're not sure what they're going to do to find their next property. When we have homes that are really move-in ready that look gorgeous, those homes have a tendency to attract buyers who might be a little bit more flexible to get that home. So instead of finding those buyers that they're going to move in and then they're going to renovate the home, if your home is completely move-in ready and amazing, then there's a good chance that we can get you a 30, a 60, we've even gotten folks a 90-day rent back to find their next property. And it just makes the home sell overall better. It's a beautiful experience, and we have contractors and we've got the ability to help orchestrate the design on that. So that's what the Compass Concierge Program is. So for all of you who have considered selling a primary residence home, reach out to me, let me know, and I'd be happy to walk you through the program to see if it's a good fit for you and see if it's something that can really maximize that return on the next sale of your home. So until the next time, thank you for joining me on today's video blog. I hope you learned something great today. If you have any questions, comments, if there's anything you'd like me to do a blog on next time, please let me know. I'd be happy to accommodate. And until the next one, stay safe, stay healthy, and I look forward to seeing you again.